Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I brought you some information related to Bitcoin's update. So let's start now. This week is crypto. Putin say crypto has right to exist. Coinbase announces new NFT product and Federal Reserve Chairman say US will not ban cryptocurrency. Russian President Vladimir Putin say cryptocurrency has a right to exist. His comment follow a string of other countries official making statements or actions on digital currency in recent week. US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell said recently he has no intention of banning cryptocurrency after China banned all cryptocurrency transactions and said it will consider any crypto related transaction to be illicit. In other regulatory news, Security and Exchange Commission Chairman Gary Gensler expressed new concern for a lack of crypto regulation recently. Gensler posted on Twitter last month as it relates to cryptocurrencies. We have robust authorities and we are going to use them. Bitcoin has been hovering around $57,000 this week, but saw a bump up to $58,180 on Thursday, the highest it's been since May. Here's a rundown of latest big crypto news. Russian President Vladimir Putin said cryptocurrency had the right to exist and can be used as a means of payment in an interview posted on the Kremlin's website Thursday. This statement comes after Russia neighbor China effectively banned all cryptocurrency transactions. Popular cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase announced Tuesday it will be creating Coinbase NFT, a peer-to-peer marketplace for minting, purchasing, showcasing and discovering NFTs. The announcement comes after an SEC shuffle over another Coinbase product, Coinbase Earn, last month. US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell spoke at the House Financial Service Committee meeting recently and clarified comments from a July hearing, where he expressed interest in cryptocurrency regulation. Powell says he has no intention of banning cryptocurrencies. China's central bank, the People's Bank of China, escalated its crackdown on cryptocurrency, announcing it will consider all cryptocurrency related transactions in China illegal and ban any crypto mining activities. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler expressed fresh concern for cryptocurrency investors. If the market does not have more regulations, investors are likely to get hurt. If regulation is not introduced, Gensler said at the Financial Times Future of Assets Management North America conference. Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency by market cap and a good indicator of crypto market in general since other coins like Ethereum and smaller altcoins tend to follow its trend even though Bitcoin recently crossed the $50,000 threshold. It was a pretty normal upstick for the crypto, which has also seen a more than 50% decrease in value in past month. That's not to say investors should take swings in either direction lightly, and this is also why investing experts recommend not making any major investment changes based on these normal fluctuations. The cryptocurrency space is still very new and everything from innovation to regulation can have outside impact for investor. Here's how can you invest smartly regardless of what's making news on Bitcoin price swing. What you should know about crypto investment. Cryptocurrency is a highly volatile speculative investment. Only invest in crypto what you are prepared to lose and make sure you have other financial properties in place first. Save money in emergency fund. Contribute to retirement saving and pay off and high interest rate balances. How investors should deal with volatility. Cryptocurrency volatility is nothing new, and you should be comfortable with this if you decide to invest. Volatility can be attributed to an immature market, say all leech, learn editor at Coindex, a cryptocurrency news outlet, anything from a celebrity to new federal regulation can send price swelling. If Elon Musk put hashtag Bitcoin in his Twitter bio, it sent Bitcoin up to 10% salience. This unpredictability is a part of the reason why investing experts warn against investing high amount of your portfolio into a risky assets like crypto. Many recommended keeping your crypto holding to less than 5% of your total portfolio. For new investor, day-to-day swing can seem frightened, but if you are invest with the why and whole strategy tips are nothing to panic about, say Humphrey England, personal finance expert behind Humphrey Talks. Eng recommended a simple solution. Don't look at investment. So this is the latest news. I hope you like it. If you want any other latest news on this topic, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.